So as a school teacher, I know that one of the ways to learn is to experience something. And experience can come in two forms. You can either learn from your experience or other people's experiences. And when you're reading the Bible, you're exposed to these two ways of experiences or possibilities of experiences. Because the first one, when you're going through the material yourself, you are looking at the things that the Lord talks about and you're ruminating over it, you're reading and learning from it. On the other side, when you're also reading, you're exposing yourself to what other people have experienced, maybe experiences of betrayal, experiences of the benefits of following God, experiences of, judgment, justice, and a range of things that we are exposed to in this life. And if you read and see that somebody's gone down this path and it didn't work out well for them, then you as a sensible person knows that, I'm not going to do this because I've read about it and it didn't end well for this person. So you're learning. And that's one of the ways in which you learn from the Bible. That's one of the reasons why you should read the Bible.